Here's a 2019 Ram 1500. Work hard and look good doing it. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, energy regenerative brakes, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Uconnect access Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, active grille shutters, automatic with driver control suspension management, Park Sense Park Assist, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Ram works hard, plays harder. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.